These are the onions getting sauteed that I'm making. Okay. Okay, so this is little chicken that I've added some tilapia with in there, and I seasoned with some onions, some red peppers, and some of this kicking chicken seasoning as well, and some curry powder I'm going to add, and also I added some garlic as well, which I cannot find right now. So I'm going to add this in here as well. Let's see. Just going to stir this up. And in the pan was olive oil prior to that. So I'm just going to make sure the olive oil is mixed in real good with the chicken and the tilapia. So as the heat comes in, it cooks it on the spot wherever the oil is. And now that I've got it all in there nicely, I'm going to let it sit for a hot minute. Yeah. See how nice the chicken looks? Huh? It's getting cooked. It's getting better. It's getting better. You know what I'm saying? You want to have that nice, you know, without the red. I like my stuff, my meat well done. So we're without the red. Okay? Nice spicy chicken. Yeah, it's going to taste real good. It's going to taste real good in my stomach. Oh, that didn't make any sense. It's going to taste real good in my stomach. But anyways, you get the point. So yeah, man. That's how we do it. Alright, so I'm going to be having my chicken with this wine, Rionites, whatever, however you say it, Lambrusco wine from Italy. I hope I said that right. My fancy language is not the best, so excuse me. Pardon me, guys. But this is the wine I'm going to be eating my food with, right? So, that's a nice chicken brewing. This is the wine. That's how we get down. That's how we get down. That's how we get down. Okay, so the chicken is about ready and done. The next step we're going to do now is add some tomato paste from these guys at Members Mark. You can get any tomato paste can for a couple of cents. I usually just scrape it in like so. Normally I add the spinach before the paste. I don't think it really matters, either or. Add this paste in. Good. Make sure you get everything in there. Boom. Whatever's left in there, I have a little cup of water you can add to the paste. Like that. And mix it up in. Voila. And then give it a nice good mix. It's nice and even. Like so. And normally I add the spinach before the paste. I kind of forgot my steps, but for the sake of time, because I'm hungry and my family is hungry, I want to add it in now. This is regular Goya spinach. Should probably add a little bit more spinach, but let's use that for now. Add a little water, and then we'll wait. This is our finished product. Nice spinach curry stew with tilapia and chicken on rice. Served with some sweet sweet wine. And that's how we do it.